Just take the oracle sound the shelf. I sit and listen to and by myself. Today's a music and it gotta seem so. I like the old time and rock and roll.
Zhengzhou Tuojin Machinery Co Limited is a professional manufacturer and exporter located in Zhengzhou City, Henan Province, China. We specialize in the production and international sales of concrete batching plants, foundation-free concrete batching plants, mobile batching plants, cement silos, aggregate batching machines, screw conveyors, concrete mixer tanks, and related equipment. With a strong focus on product innovation and quality control, Tuojin provides efficient and customized solutions for various construction scenarios. Our equipment is designed to be durable, easy to install, and suitable for different environmental conditions. Backed by a skilled technical team and advanced manufacturing facilities, we support OEM and ODM services and ensure timely delivery with reliable after-sales support. Our products have been successfully exported to numerous countries and regions in Southeast Asia, Central Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and South America, earning a solid reputation among global clients. Driven by a customer-first philosophy, Tuojin Machinery is committed to building long-term partnerships worldwide. We welcome friends from all over the world to visit our factory and explore cooperation opportunities. Let's build the future together with reliable machinery and sincere service. Tuojin